Hello everyone, Lucas Purton here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. Today we're going to highlight a new arrival. It's a 2021 Ram ProMaster Charade conversion. It's built on the 159-inch platform on a 2500 chassis. It has seating for 9. Has bright white monochromatic paint scheme on the exterior. You've got your painted bumpers and grille. Fog lights down low. Does come with 16-inch chrome wheels. You got painted running boards, help step up inside. Come around back. Has blind spot and cross path detection, rear parking camera sensors. Also have your trailer hitch down low, your wiring harnesses. Take a look inside, rear storage area. Got plenty of room back here for storage. Also does have a power reclining sofa that you can move forward and backwards. And then of course you can also lay it down as well, lay it out into a bed and push a button that goes back up. Has kicker speakers in the rear. Also have hooks back here to hang some clothing while you're traveling. Let's take a look inside. There's 2 rows of swivel captain's chairs in here. So you can actually rotate these seats around and face each other or any direction really you want. You got your cup holder down here, USB port for this front passenger here. Inside you got, let's step back here so you can see it, 32-inch flat screen TV. Down here's your media control center. Has Blu-ray player, also your HVAC system for your rear heat and air, a 110 outlet if you can see down there, and some USBs. You got lighted cup holders. Some more seating back here. Each row, each seat has the lighted cup holder USB port as well. The rear bench that folds down. Some cup holders both sides, and up top you got some storage area up in here. Take a look and go up front. Has a 5-inch Uconnect touchscreen radio with navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio. Steering wheel has all your controls for your radio. Cruise control over on the side. Your front seats are heated as well. Again, we're looking at a new arrival, a 2021 Ram ProMaster Charade van. My name's Lucas Purton. You can reach me at 937-778-0830, extension 1129.